For the PM to come out from that particular building. My name is YORUBA Koiki, reporting for Koiki Media, where we are currently, waiting when the PM will be coming out. As many of Nigerians are asking, why is the British government not saying so much with the corruption, the terrorism that is happening in Nigeria today? These are the questions in the lips of many Nigerians, while the British government has neglected, their responsibility as a country that colonized Nigeria for the last many centuries. Today, Nigeria is going through quite a lot of, security issues. We saw the Benue, where many innocent lives were taken, and yet, as we have seen it, not a statement coming from the British Prime Minister Keir Starmer, and also, the British government itself. Also, the British government is telling us, that Nigeria will be a better place, by 2075. We, the Yorubas, disagree with that, and we are now asking the British government to look into, this amalgamation of the 1914 that joined Nigeria with other indigenous people before the country goes into another civil war, as we saw it during the Biafra in 1966. But if the British government refused, as a letter was delivered, under the leadership of Professor Adebanjo Akintoye last year in October by Chief Sunday Igboho, yet the British government continued to remain as nothing is happening in Nigeria. As we know, there are millions of things that is happening in Nigeria, and we hope the British government will take the responsibility to look into all these issues before it is too late. My name again is YORUBA Koiki. As you can tell, that it is coming up to almost 11:30. Very soon the door will be opening, the Prime Minister will be coming out, and many questions will be asked regarding issues pertaining to Nigeria and why the British government have said nothing to the terrorism, the killings of innocent Nigerians that continue to take place across the country today, while the President of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has failed his responsibility, to look into, the Fulani terrorists that continue to create massacre. Many questions are being asked today, and we're waiting for answer. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps as we continue to report from number 10 Downing Street this morning.